Hello guys, welcome to 𝐶𝐕 Clouds. My name is 𝐲𝐨𝐿 and today let's talk about the powerful Salesforce feature that is Omnichannel. If you are new to Salesforce or new to Service Cloud, then this video will help you to understand the basics of Omnichannel. So let's start. So first, we are learning about the introduction of Omnichannel in Salesforce. So in this video, we will learn about what is Omnichannel, why it matters, how it works, and its key benefits. So let's start. Okay, so the first question is, what is omnichannel? So the omnichannel is a feature in Salesforce that offers multiple ways to route. Route means sending the customer request to the best available agent. I will explain you what does that mean with the help of this picture. Okay, in this picture, as you can see, there are multiple channels. Multiple channels means multiple ways so that customer asks for the support. Let's say they can ask for the support from Facebook, from WhatsApp, from SMS, web chat, phone, email, etc. Okay, so the customer are messaging or asking for the support from any of the channel. Then it comes to the Salesforce Omni-Channel. So this is the only one place where the messages, or we can say the customer requests, are coming from multiple channel to the one place. Okay, and from that one place, these requests are routed to the best agent. Best agent mean what? Best agent mean the agent who are quickly available, who are great at their skills. Okay, so the omni-channel routes the work to the best available agent. Here we can consider omni-channel as like a middleman. Okay, it's like a middleman between the work means what? Work means customer requests coming from the different channels. Okay, and the agent. So the omni-channel acts as a middleman between the customer request and the support agents, so that omni-channel routes the work to the best support agent. So let's jump on the next slide to understand more deeply. So in this slide, we are going to see the same question, that is, what is omni-channel? As I told you, omni-channel is a system, or we can say middleman. Okay, so which accepts the work, or which accepts the customer request from the different channel, as you can see here into the picture, and it routes the work, or we can say the customer request, to the best available agent. Okay, so let's read the first point. It manages all customer requests in one place. Okay, regardless of the channel. Channel means ways to connect with support. Okay, so regardless of any channel, that means regardless of any channel, that is, it's coming from WhatsApp, either coming from Facebook, SMS, web chat, or call. Okay, it regardless of any channel, it accepts the work, that means it accepts the customer service and routes the work or service request to the best available agent. Second point is, it supports channels like email, phone call, live chat. Live chat is mostly present on the websites. Okay, social media, SMS, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. The third point is, it automatically handles requests, that is, it automatically handles customer requests instead of manually sorting by agents. So what happens generally, there is a person who is manually assigning the work or manually assigning the customer request to the different agent. So as this work is done by the manually, so there are a lot of chances to happen for the mistakes. Okay, so here there is a system we design, that is omnichannel. So as this is a system, it does not make the mistakes. Okay, and it routes the work to the support agent automatically. And the fourth point is, omnichannel acts like a smart manager, sending problems or customer requests instantly to the right person. Right person means right available agent. Okay, so here the omnichannel acts as a smart manager which accepts the work from the different channels and assigned to the best support agent, so that every support agent should be work and no one gets overloaded or no one gets the less work. So let's jump on next slide. So here the question is, why do we need omnichannel? Just imagine that you are working at a help desk in a shopping mall. Okay, so the customer asks for support in many ways. Like some customers walk up to you, and some may call you, or some send an email for the support, or someone leave a message on the Facebook. Okay, so here if you had to manually assign every customer request to the different agent, so it would be confusing. Some customer requests could be missed, some customer requests could be forgotten, or some customer requests could be ignored. And here some agents could get too much work, while some agents did not get anything to work. So here the omnichannel solves these problems. The problems like uneven workload, or manual assignments of customer request. Okay, so these problems is solved by the omnichannel by enabling automatic routing. Okay, if the automatic routing is there, then every customer's request should be taken into consideration, and all the service agents should get the equal work without any work overload. So let's jump on next slide. So guys, in this slide, we will understand how Salesforce Omnichannel works. We will understand what is the workflow of Omnichannel. Okay, so I will give you an example. Let's say you drop a email for the support. For example, my laptop is not working. Here you drop an email that is my laptop is not working, and it comes to the Salesforce Omnichannel. So once it comes to the Salesforce Omnichannel, it may be converted to the case. Okay, right now we will consider that email as a case. So that what we drop the email, it converted into a case into an omnichannel. So that case means that customer requests are placed into a queue. As we can see that the customer requests such as cases, chats, leads, or social media posts are collected and placed into a queue. Queue means what? Queue means is a line of customer requests. There are multiple customer requests are there, so our request also be placed into that line. Okay, after that what happen? Agent signals availability. Agents mark themselves as available in omnichannel when they're ready to handle incoming request. Here, just like we set our status into the Microsoft Teams, same here also the support agents set their status as available when they are ready to work. Let's say agent set their status as available, that means that agent is available to work. Okay, then the system, that means omnichannel, sends that request to the right agent based on their workload. Workload means what? Workload means how much work they have right now. Okay, so based on workload, skills means what? Skills means if that agent has required skill to perform that work or not. If it has required skill, then fine, but if don't have required skill to work on that case or work on that customer request, then that agent will be skipped. And current status means what? I will tell you one point, keep the note of this point, that here omnichannel will assign the work to the agent only if that agent status is available. If the agent status is other than available, then the omnichannel don't assign the work to that agent. That means omnichannel will assign the work to the only available agents. Keep note of this point. Okay, so here omnichannel routes that request or the we can say case to the perfect and available agent who has all the skills, who don't have workload, and he has the current status as available. And after that, agent will receive the pop-up alert in their screen, that is you have a new case. Okay, so that agents could get an immediate action for that case. For example, they may reply to their message or reply to their email, or they started working on their case, so that every customer request should be identified and taken into consideration, and agents will be also not overloaded. That means agent will also get work based on their capacity, and they will work on it. Here in this slide, we understood how the Salesforce Omnichannel works. Okay, I hope you understood how the Omnichannel works and what's the workflow. So these are the 4 very easy steps. Okay, and if you didn't understand, please you can rewind it and rewatch it. You will definitely understand. So let's jump on next slide. So guys, in this slide, we are going to understand the real-time example of the Omnichannel. Okay, so here the Mobile Mart is a company which deals with mobile chargers, like selling of mobile chargers, repairing, replacing, etc. Okay, so here the Mobile Mart has a lot of customers, and they send complaints through the phone, email, or Facebook, WhatsApp. For example, my phone charger is not working. Let's consider a customer sends an email with subject that my phone charger is not working. As soon as the complaint or case comes into the omnichannel checks who the agent is free, okay, and who has the good skill at solving the charger related issues. Okay, then that case is sent to that agent who gets all the details directly into their Salesforce console. And once that case is routed to the proper agent, then what happened was that agent gets an pop-up on their screen. For example, a case is assigned to you, and that agent responds quickly to that case, and here the problem is solved. Okay, so this is all about the real-time example of the omnichannel for the Mobile Mart company. I hope you understand how the omnichannel works and how the omnichannel routes the customer requests from different channel to the perfect agent. Okay, let's jump on next slide. So in this slide, I will explain you what are the benefits of using omnichannel. So the first benefit is no manual assigning. Here, all the assignments of the customer request happens automatically in the omnichannel, which saves the time here. That means no manual intervention is there. Everything happens automatically. Second benefit is no request goes missing. Customers are happy. That means every customer request gets addressed and reply is sent to the every request. That's why the customer is also happy because they get to know that their case is getting addressed and working on the case is started. So that the customer is also happy. And the third benefit is balance agent workload. That means nobody gets the very less work or nobody gets the overloaded. So here every agent gets equal work, so that agent is also happy, customers are also happy. Agent is happy because they get the work based on their capacity, okay, and customers are also happy because their issues are getting addressed. So these are the all the benefits of using omnichannel. So guys, I hope you understood the introduction of omnichannel, the working of omnichannel, like how the working of the omnichannel happens in the Salesforce, how the routing happens, and what are the benefits of using omnichannel. So guys, if you really enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share your questions in the comment box. So in the next video, we are gonna understand what is routing and what are the types of routing in more detail. So stay tuned and thank you so much guys.